What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today I have a very special review for an iPhone leather case. I actually have two cases I'm going to be showing you from a company called Vaja. Now, I am very familiar with Vaja. I've been reviewing their cases since the very first iPhone, and I can honestly say that Vaja makes the #1 best leather case for the iPhone. I've reviewed a lot of leather cases on this channel. I've reviewed a lot of Vaja's cases, and the quality and the craftsmanship that they put into these products is unmatched, unrivaled in my humble opinion. These are handmade cases made in Argentina, made with very nice quality Argentinian leather. So I have a wallet style case right here, and I also have a snapback case. The snapback case retails for $89. This one retails for, I believe, $150. So these are not cheap cases. They're definitely on the premium side. So not a case that's meant for everybody, but I will say that I still have some of the Vaja cases from my older phones, like the iPhone 4G, the iPhone 5, the iPhone 6. I've kept those cases and they still look sharp, they still look good, and even when I've used them for over a year, they've really held up really well. So these are not just like premium looking cases that are crappy, they're gonna fall apart on you. They actually hold up really well. So let's do some close-ups on both these cases, and we're gonna talk about the details of these cases from Vaja. Okay, so here we have the first case I'm gonna be showing you. This is the grip case, and so this one I have here retails starting at $89, but they also have a custom version that you can completely customize that retails for $119. So this is kind of the unboxing experience right here. So it comes in like a nice little leather pouch right there, which is really nice. So this one is just a basic snapback case, okay? It does not get much more straight to the point than that. It's just a basic snapback. So let's put this stuff out of the way. So one thing I will mention about these cases, so like I said, there's some pre-made ones here that you can get. They come in 8 different colors. This one is one of them. This is the blue, obviously. And so this one retails for $89, okay? But if you want to do a complete customized case, you can pick the interior color, you can pick the exterior color, you can pick from 3 different grain styles of leather. This one is the floater grain, so it has like the really big pebbled looking texture right there. And let's get some close-ups of this so I can show you the details of that. And I know you can't tell in the video, but this leather smells so good. It is like genuine, legit, high-quality leather. This is, like I said, Argentinian leather, handmade in Argentina. And so there's 3 different leather types. You can get Catarina, Bridge, or Floater. This one is the floater leather in the customized one, and that one retails for $119. You can pick the accents. So this one right here has the steel accent on the bottom and the plastic insert. You can get a silver, where the accent is silver here and it's silver down here. That one retails for an extra $50. Or you can get black aluminum. So I guess this stays black, and then this part down here is like black aluminum. So this one is the basic one that just comes with the pre-made version. So that's what this one is right here. $89, 8 different colors. And for the custom version, it comes in, I don't even know how, it comes in a ton of different colors you can pick from. So you can choose the interior leather color and the exterior leather color, and you can customize those accents. So this will work with your Qi charger. It is compatible with wireless charging with the iPhone 10. And so that's just basically a snapback. So let me pop in the phone just so you can see how everything looks. So on the get to the side of the case, we have the opening there. That's one big slot opening for the mute and the volume buttons right there. Roll to the bottom, we have one large opening for the microphone, the lightning connector, and the speaker. And then we get to the side, another opening there for the standby switch. And then we have the back there, perfect cutaway for the camera, the 2 cameras, the other microphone, and the flash. And you can see there's not much of an edge to this. You can see the thickness of it, so it's very minimalistic. This is not a super protective case. This is going to protect the corners. It's going to protect the back of your iPhone. As you can see, the front here, there is a slight lip. I don't know if you can see right here. I do have a glass screen shield on my phone, so that is kind of changing the way the screen would look for you. See if I can get a better look. But even with my glass screen shield on my phone, it's still not touching the screen if I put it face down. It's actually still touching the edges of the phone. So it's not going to do a whole lot of protection if you drop it and it hits face forward on the ground. It could possibly smash that screen. It's definitely going to protect the back glass, that's for sure. But this is real minimalistic. This is really a case for those of you guys that don't want a bulky case. You just want some barely there protection, and maybe you just want to have like a nice stylish leather back to add to your iPhone 10. So, like I said, this one retails for $89 for the pre-made colors. These ones are able to ship instantly. They ship out from Argentina. If you do the custom version, where you pick all the colors and the grain of leather, that's going to take 30 days for that process. Okay, so now let's check out the wallet case. All right, so here we have the wallet case, a similar unboxing experience. Let's see if I can get this out. Also comes with a nice little pocket, a leather pocket right there. I'm not sure if you keep that around or what's it, but I mean, that's legit leather. That's real nice. And then we have our little information about the case itself and the box. Let's put that out to the side. And so here we have the wallet. So this is the wallet agenda. This one retails for $149. This is a pre-made version, so there's 7 colors you can pick from that are ready to ship right now. But if you want to do the custom build your own, it's only $10 more, and you can pick between floater leather and bridge leather. I believe this is floater. It's also the large grain. And you can pick from the interior colors. And there's a ton of different interior and exterior colors to pick from, different combinations you can do to have a custom 100% case all for you. And also the accents are available the same as the other ones I mentioned. I believe it comes in the silver. This is the metal, stainless steel, and black plastic. And there's also a black aluminum and black plastic version to pick from. Also compatible with Qi chargers, so you can still do your wireless charging. And another bonus to this, because it is a wallet style case, we have 4 card slots right here, and those are RFID protected. So if you guys are familiar with RFID, no one can run one of those sensors next to your wallet and steal the numbers or the information or the strip off of your cards. That'll protect them from any of that kind of theft. So that's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and pop the phone in here and pop some cards in here so you can see kind of the thickness. So right off the bat, let me just show you the case without any cards in it. And it might look, oops, it's upside down. It might look a little weird because there's no cards in it. So this is really meant to be used with cards, because as you can see, the flap it almost overlaps it a little bit right there. As you can see that, right? It seems a little off, a little strange the way it's like kind of flapped over, because it's kind of meant to have cards in it to bulk it up a little bit. So let me put some credit cards in here and I'll show you what it looks like after that. Okay, so now I have some cards in the wall, and as you can see there, they're fully in there. I got 4 credit cards. I got a little bit of paper stuck in here because I don't have any cash with me ever, but it does have a nice pocket there to stick some cash in there. It will fit 4 cards. Like I mentioned, this has that RFID to protect those cards. And so when that's in there, then it does kind of line up a little bit better on the flap. It does bulk out a little bit. And this is like still pretty brand new. Obviously it's leather, so after some time it'll get worn after being in your pocket, and it'll kind of like have a better fit. It's pretty stiff right now because I've only been using it for a few days. But when it's in there, you can see here, let's go through the side and everything so we can show you all the stuff. So also like the grip case, one big cutaway for the side right there, so you can get to the mute switch, the volume buttons, one big opening on the bottom there for the microphone, the lightning connector, and the speaker, a cutaway there for the sleep wake button. Get to the back, we have the nice cutaway for the camera, both cameras, the flash, and the other microphone on the back. And so this is basically the same thickness as that grip case, the original blue one I just showed you, but obviously this has the big flap for the leather wallet on the front. So a really nice case, definitely will give you a good opportunity if you do want to get rid of that wallet and just have something you can carry with you, because you're probably going to have your phone with you at all times, but this will allow you the freedom to only just have this and not have the wallet and your iPhone with you. Overall, really good quality, really good craftsmanship, and I mean, there's not much else I can say about it. It does retail for a lot. $149 is quite a bit to spend on a nice iPhone case. But the fact that this is dual purpose, I mean, I know people that spend that much money on wallets by themselves, and this is a really good quality leather wallet. So maybe I can see more people spending money on this rather than just the grip case, the simple snapback one. But that's also a very nice case as well. So that is it for these Vaja cases. Alright guys, so those are my thoughts on this product. If you have any questions about it, please post them down below in the comment section. I answer all questions as quickly as possible. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll also have a link down below in the description as well. So if you guys want to check out some of my other video reviews, I have 2 more right here you can check out. Or if you want to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe so you can be notified of my future tech reviews, make sure you click on my face. And that's it for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video review.